Common medical terms: anemia, deficiency of hemoglobin in the blood. In logistic medicine that are used for pain means it is painkiller. Gastrologia, pain in stomach. Myologia, muscle pain. Neurologia, nerve pain. Otologia, ear pain. Nephrologia, pain in the kidney. Arthrologia, pain in joints. Pyoderma, skin infection with pus formation. Leukoderma, defective skin pigmentation. Thyroidectomy, excision of thyroid gland. Arthritis, swelling and tenderness of joints. Myocarditis, inflammation of the heart muscle. Bronchitis, inflammation of bronchi. Adenectomy, excision of gland. Myelitis, inflammation of spinal cord. Nephritis, inflammation of the kidney. Metritis, inflammation of larynx. Laryngitis, inflammation of larynx, and metritis, inflammation